Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a makeup holiday look for you guys. I've got two versions of lip color to go with this makeup look. So my inspo is a little bit of the Sugar Plum Fairy and a little bit of Ariana Grande. She's doing a lot of lighter eye looks these days, so I wanted to do something really light and just add like a pink look to it, pink plummy color to the cheeks. So if you guys would like to see this look as well, I'm adding in a little bit of a vlog hockey trip tournament we went on this month. Just for my own memories and to look back, but you guys might enjoy it as well. I'm gonna add that in. So if you guys would like to see this look, then just keep watching.
He told them. Oh my gosh.
Throughout the game, you just got to remember to play your game. Like, just to play the game. You know how to play.
Max, look at the buildings now.
Yeah, I know.
Like, look, RBC, have you not seen?
Winnipeg Ice.
Shots on goal was a second quarter for Winnipeg as well, for Toronto 11. For a 2-period goal.
Right in front of the boys. I want to be down there.
If you hear the kids bouncing around, that's because they're just down in like the rec room area hanging out. It's Christmas holidays. We're getting close to Christmas. 4 days. I can't believe it. Came up so fast. And I always think I'm prepared. And then like last minute you're driving around in like a snowstorm trying to just pick up things, and yeah, it's always so chaotic. And then once it's all done, it's like, did it even happen? And you just don't feel like you have enough. And I put some, that was the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade, what shade do I have it in? Beige, light beige. And now I'm gonna go in with light ivory on my eyelids to prime. We were supposed to go away on another hockey tournament. My younger son's hockey tournament was supposed to start on the 27th of December, and we were going to have to go back to Winnipeg. We had just gone to a hockey tournament at the beginning of December, and now things are starting to shut down again. So, I mean, it's a blessing and a curse. I didn't want to drive 8 hours, and possibly leave Boxing Day. And just driving the highways in the snow, it's really scary with all the transports, and there's always lots of accidents. So, but I'm really sad for my youngest because he hasn't been in a hockey tournament this year, and I'm just unsure if anything is going to happen after the holidays. So yeah, it's like a catch-22. So when we left, we had 0 snow in the beginning of December for the first hockey tournament, and when we got back we had like 25 centimeters of snow. It was crazy, but where we went they had snow, so we kind of got used to it over the weekend, seeing snow and stuff. And then we ended up driving down to Winnipeg on the last night that we were there. My brother and sister-in-law lived there, and we got to go see a Toronto Maple Leafs game, so that was like pretty exciting. I never expected that to happen. I wasn't even gonna go on the hockey tournament, but I'm so glad that I did. It was an amazing weekend. My son ended up scoring the game-winning goal in overtime, so it was a really exciting weekend. So I'm gonna I think I'll pop in a little bit of the Maple Leafs game and whatever little clips that I have from my son's hockey tournament, just to do a little bit of a vlog along with this makeup look. Alright, so you guys can use whatever neutral and pink palettes you have to recreate this look. So I'm going to go in with my KKW Classic 2 palette and just start with this light neutral shade that kind of has a little bit of a pinky undertone to it. And I'm just going to blend that up on the brow bone. Now I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette, which is like a nice light creamy color, and I'm going to go over my lid. Hopefully it's not too noisy in the background. Now they're watching YouTube videos on the TV in the main living room, so it might get a little loud. Alright, now I'm going to lightly go over with Villa from the BH Cosmetics Summer in Saint-Tropez palette. I really wanted to try out more from this palette because it's so pretty and the colors are so pigmented. So I really wanted to create like a pinky, like sugar plum inspired look. So I'm just taking this light pink now and I'm going over everything. So I used the light color and the neutral color as kind of like a base just to give my eyes some dimension with the deep set eyes, kind of just bring out the lid a little bit more and push back the neutral, use the neutral color to push back the brow bone, but I really wanted to do like a light pink all over look. And this is a good way just to do that. Just using one single shade, but also incorporating other colors just to give the eye some shape. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Marina, which is kind of like this pinky mauve foiled shimmery color, and I'm gonna go in with my finger and just pat that on the lid just to add a little bit of sparkle for Christmas. Now I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer just to add a little bit of color to my cheeks. A little bit of bronze. Right, to go with the theme of like sugar plum, I'm going to go in with the Honest Beauty cream cheek blush in the shade Plumberry. So perfect for the look. So I'm just going to add that to the tops of my cheeks, just to give you like that flushed cheek, like you were outside and it's cold, but it's also like the plum color of Christmas, and it just, I don't know, plays with the pink really well, I think. So I want to add a little bit more sparkle, so I'm going in with the Catrice More Than Glow highlighter. I've loved this year. This is such a beautiful highlighter. Like, it's just gorgeous. It doesn't have like flakiness to it or like glittery, like it just kind of gives you that nice all over glow. So I tight lined, and now I'm going to go in and create a little wing with the tight line. I've been doing this for years, go back to my videos from almost 3 years ago. I was doing this, and I was doing it before that, but saw it on a makeup artist video recently, I think a celebrity makeup artist, and it was like, this is a little trick. I've been doing this forever. So you go into the corner after you tight line, and you kind of just pull out some of that eyeliner, and that'll give you a good guide as to where you want your wing to be. And you could keep it subtle and just use that, or you can go in after and use it as a guide for your liquid liner as well. All right, so I put on a little bit of liquid liner and used that little bit of eyeliner from my lash line as a guide for my eyeliner. I think with deep set eyes, bringing it out a little bit more straight like that from the corner of your eye just helps. You can see the wing a little bit better, and I don't know, just think it goes a little bit nicer with the eye shape. So I popped on a dark lip. I think you could do a dark lip with this or a nice light lip. So I'm going to show you the dark lip first, and then I'm going to go and show you the light lip. I used the Tiana Major 9 collab with e.l.f. for the lip liner, which is like a brown tone. And then I used the Black Cherry from Revlon, so it's got, you could just keep layering this if you want it to get darker. It looks darker in person. It looks like a deeper plum. On camera it's showing up a little bit more red, but you could always add some more of the brown eyeliner if you wanted to have it more of like a deep brown look. But I just thought like a deep berry look with like a pink eye would be super fun and something different for the holiday season. Like I kind of use the example of a sugar plum for this video, the sugar plum flary, like the plum, but also the sweet with the light pink colors. So this is the finished look with the dark lip. All right, so this is the kind of nude pinky lip version to go with the makeup look. So I use the Nude One KKW lipstick just to really just brighten up my lips, and then went over that with the gloss from Revlon, which is Sky Pink, just to give it a pinky look to it as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look and the little hockey vlog. It was such a fantastic, special, memorable weekend. So I want to put it on because I want to be able to look back and remember what an amazing time we have. So I wish you guys a happy holiday season and a Merry Christmas. Hope you are all doing well, and just health, happiness, love, and prosperity to everyone. And I will see you guys again soon.